Hi family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while since I posted my last video. Oh my god, I miss you guys so much. Thank you so much for all the love and the support you've been showing me. All you guys who have been asking me when I'm going to post my next video. Well, there you go. I want to apologize for not posting videos consistently. Well, I thought I would be posting like consistently, like 2 to 3 times in a week when I started this YouTube channel, but and as a medical student, I don't have that much time to spare. So I gave it a whole lot of thought before bringing this new video. So I promise you guys I'm going to be posting consistently, like twice in a week, so that you guys won't miss me so much. So in this video we're going to be making Nigerian egg rolls. I made this egg roll for one of my loyal customers. He's Nigerian and he requested for it, but when he asked me to make it for him, I didn't know how to make it, but I didn't say no. I take advantage of every opportunity that comes my way, especially when money is involved. So I quickly checked it up on YouTube to how to make Nigerian egg rolls, and I saw these beautiful videos with all the recipes and all the measurements there. So I followed the recipe. I have the recipe with all the measurements down in my bio, so you can either double the recipe or half it depending on the number of egg rolls you want to make. In this video I made 26 egg rolls, so if you're making half of that, you're going to have the recipe. If you're making more than that, you're going to have to double the recipe or triple the recipe depending on what you are doing. If you like this video, make sure you comment down below and like it, share it to all your friends and family. If you've not subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell if you've not. And so guys, let's roll as we make these egg rolls. So guys, I started off by boiling my eggs and peeling them in cold water, and then I rinsed them under running water and passed them dry and allowed them to sit for a while whilst I prepped my dry ingredients. So in a large bowl I mix all my dry ingredients, which includes flour, sugar, a pinch of salt, baking powder, eggs and butter. Oh, and also 1 1/4 cups of milk. You want to add your milk gradually so that your dough doesn't get wet, and if it does, just add a little bit of flour. I forgot to add vanilla essence, so that's what you see me adding later in the video. So you want to knead your dough until everything is well incorporated. You want to let your dough rest for a while, for about 5 minutes before you start working it again. So whilst my dough was resting, I decided to quickly wash my dishes. I cut my dough into 26 equal parts, then started wrapping them around the eggs. To start making the egg rolls, you need to put some flour in your palm and then put the dough in your palm as well and flatten it in a circular form. Then put your egg in the middle of the dough. You start pulling the dough around the egg, and you don't want to pull the dough, you don't want to stretch it too much or too thin so that you don't expose certain parts of the egg, and you don't want that. Also, when you nicely wrap the dough around the egg, you want to pinch the ends of the dough so that it doesn't gape open whilst frying it in the oil. Egg rolls are very dense and quite heavy, So whilst putting it in the oil, you have to be very careful so that the oil doesn't splash. Also, I think I put my oil too early on fire, so it was way overheated. So as soon as I put in my egg rolls, they started browning, and you don't want that. Make sure you set your fire to medium-low so that the inside of the egg rolls takes its time to get cooked. So guys, the first batch of the egg rolls were done, and it came out really beautifully and very crunchy as well. So I put in the second batch and the third batch of the egg rolls until I finish frying everything. Everybody say hello to the lad.
No, bless up. Yo, top chef here.
Top chef,
yeah,
top chef.
Don't put our in.
So guys, I was finally done, and I took some close pictures for you guys to take a look at how the egg rolls came out, and I'm so proud of myself. It came out so perfectly. My client was so happy. He was like, he sent me several messages about the egg rolls, how he liked it and all, and that's the point of it. I mean, I'm just here to make my clients happy. Guys, I don't think I've told you this, but I'm a medical student, and I also have a side business called Savory Chef, where I cook for the African community in my school. So if you're watching this video and you're in St. Vincent and the Grenadines, and you want to order any kind of African food, any kind of African snack, just let me know. I'm going to leave my email in my description box, so contact me. Even if you're not an African and you are from the Caribbean and you want to try African food, you can still contact me, and we will talk about business, anything that concerns money. Hey, I'm there. They call me Dr. Preneur for a reason. I'm a doctor and entrepreneur. So family, we have a very big rat in the house, and he always comes out when the food is ready. It's like he knows the exact time the food gets ready. So he was out now, and I decided to count the egg rolls so that we weren't missing any.